Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to indent only one line. So as example, I will go into this paragraph and I will indent only the first of line. You can right click and then go to paragraphs, and in indentation option, you can change special into first line. You can set for the indent length, like I will set it to 1 centimeter. So this is for the example preview, and you can click OK to apply. So to be indents only the first line. I will click again at this paragraph, and you can right click, go to paragraph tools, change into first line, and you can set for the indent length. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to indent only one line. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.